And this morning I have the opportunity to sit with Bobby Wesley from Bay Equity Mortgage, and we're always happy to hear from Bobby. He's going to share some good news with us. Good morning.
Good morning, Kim. How are you?
Good. Nice to see you again.
Likewise.
We're working this year to get folks off the sidelines that are currently renting. I want Bobby to tell us about the difference between being pre-qualified and being pre-approved, because it's critical.
It is. The first step of the home buying process, you want to get pre-approved. And the reason being is we want to make sure that when you're looking at homes with Kim, that you're looking at homes that are within your price point, that you're qualified for, but more importantly, within your comfort range from a monthly payment. I want you to be looking at houses that you know you're going to be comfortable with from a monthly payment standpoint, because it's going to make the whole process, the home search process, a lot more enjoyable and a lot more fun for you. I take it a step further and do a pre-approval because I want to see all of your documentation up front. So this way you're looking at homes and there aren't any surprises once you find a house and you go under contract. I review all of your income documentation, bank statements, tax returns. This way, when you get the pre-approval letter from me as well as an estimate with a breakdown of every cost incurred in the transaction, you're not going to be surprised once we get to the closing table. And then this way too, you know that it's going to be a smooth transaction once you go under contract, and we can get you closed in 25 to 30 days.
There's so many resources that people have. It's almost like information overload. We want to keep it simple. We want to keep it straightforward, and we want to finish it so that at the end of this thing, we want to call you family. And that's what we're striving to do in this process. Wouldn't you say that?
Absolutely.
A lot of folks that I get started with, they are overwhelmed by the paperwork aspect of it.
The documentation that I request up front for your pre-approval are your pay stubs for the last 30 days, your bank statements for any accounts that you're going to be using for closing costs or down payment, your bank statements for the last 2 months, your last 2 years of tax returns and W-2s or 1099s, depending on how you're paid. That's it. That's the minimum documentation for your pre-approval.
What we're here to do is help you understand that the paperwork process will not be frightening. We'll help make all of that easier for you. And then you'll know when you find that perfect house and you say, Kim, I gotta have it. Bobby gave me the pre-approval letter. We're going to have great leverage when it comes to negotiation.
Yep.
I would love it if you would give Bobby a call if you have an interest in going through a little discussion with him. We're going to post his number here so you can reach him. But it doesn't cost you anything to have a conversation with us, so we hope that you'll take advantage of the time we have to give you. We want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. We hope that you'll share the information that we've provided for you. And until next time, cheers.
Cheers.